How to see your Facebook password on your device. Hello guys, welcome back to another tutorial video. I hope you are doing great. So let's start without wasting time. First of all, open up your Facebook application. Now at the top right corner, tap on the three lines. Now scroll down a bit and under settings and privacy, tap on settings. Now go to password and security. Now tap on password and security. Now under login and recovery, tap on saved login. Now tap on your Facebook profile. Now tap on save your login info. Now go back to your home screen and open up your settings application. Scroll down to the bottom and tap on Google. Wait for the screen to load. Now go to all services. Go to autofill. Tap on autofill with Google. Now go to Google Password Manager to see all your saved passwords there. Thank you for watching our tutorial. I hope you liked our content.